Okay, so today I have to get some shaving from the feed store. I'm out right now. What's that? That's what you gotta do when you have chickens. You gotta clean out the coop, you know? Gotta keep your coop nice and clean, especially when you have neighbors right next to you. You don't want your neighbors smelling all that. It's not really bad. Some people say it stinks, but it's not bad at all. But definitely have to clean it up. You never heard about the birds and the bees? Come out here like maybe once or twice a week, clean up, collect your eggs on a daily basis. You always want to leave one egg at least. Do not take all the eggs. Leave one so they know exactly. Not that they won't know where to lay, but at least you leave one so they could have that to encourage them to lay some more. So basically every day I get about 3 to 4 eggs a day out of these guys.
One that's all black right there, that's a black star.
Black star.
Yeah, the barred rocks have the little like spot on their heads.
And the white one?
Hmm?
The white one as well.
Those are, these are the bigger ones are white leghorns, and those other little blonde ones are buff orpingtons. And we have some Rhode Island reds.
Oh. How much are they?
They're $6.99 a piece.
How much?
$6.99. Here we just have 2. It's another white leghorn and a phantom.
How much is this for the bag?
How much a bag of Purina?
22.
22?
That's not bad.
I'm not really happy with what I'm seeing right now. There's a place in West Palm Beach called Tractor Supply that I've been meaning to check out. So let's go up there and check it out today. Ain't nothing but a big Harbor Freight. Let's get it, Wayne. Get it. What's that, BB gun?
Yes. I don't have to call the whistle picture anymore.
You don't have to what?
I don't have to.
Okay. Okay.
I can't believe they sell BB guns.
Yeah, where we at? That's why. We all the way in
Yeah,
West.
but it's not like it's more legal up here than it is in Fort Lauderdale, is it?
Where we at? My first time in Tractor Supply.
This could become addictive.
For real.
This could get really addictive. Let's get to the good stuff. This is.
Where's the good stuff at?
I don't know. Oh, feed over there to the left. See it over there?
Okay. Whew.
Right there. No, that's cool. That's cool.
Where's this?
Right here.
Over here?
Got electric fences. Electric fence, yeah. Yeah, I want to get something like that.
Solar power.
Yeah. Keep my goats and stuff like that. Keep my goats in the one area. Don't have to worry about doing a fence. They got all that stuff. Oh man.
Well, Tractor Supply is not what I thought it would be. A little disappointed, but I did get a great deal. I got 3 shavings for like $2 a bag, normally like $6 each. I got each one of them for $2. So I got 3 bags for the price of 1. Just because the bag was busted.
Yep.
It must have had to be a promotion.
I also got a deal on the
Yeah, there's none of them anywhere more south than